build your own system. Now it's time to realize the dream of every engineer and technician to build a functioning system. I can assure you, it will go fast, meaning you won't have to undergo the agony of days-long integration. Once you've logged into your ANPR Cloud account, you will find a How to Use page, which we created to help you with everything you need for a quick system build. First thing is your API key, which protects and identifies your use of ANPR Cloud, and you can change or adjust copy at the click of a button. The second thing is the endpoint to be called, meaning the cloud service URLs that you need to integrate your application. Use a URL with the free ending if you want to call up the free thread, or the prod ending if you want to utilize your subscription. Third, we have written some sample codes in JavaScript and curl, so you can immediately see the recipe as well, not just the ingredients. Let's take a little detour now, as the next few seconds are not about ANPR Cloud integration. It's important that you get good service quickly with as little network traffic as possible. The speed and quality of recognition processing, of course, depend on the quality of the image. In the world of vehicle identification and license plate recognition, life doesn't always dish up a good quality image. Here is an example of a good picture that is as small as possible, about 100 kilobytes, but still contains a recognizable license plate and the vehicle is clearly visible in it. It's not so easy to capture such images in traffic or in poor visibility conditions. To address those problems, we provide tips in the camera setup and input image guide section. Now, we've arrived to a point that requires a little technical proficiency and curiosity. We think you'll like it. The ANPR Cloud API not only transmits the dataset created during successful processing to your application, but it is also able to notify you if something is wrong and helps you troubleshoot. For example, if you submitted a bad image or API key, we'll add a longer text to the error message to help you understand the error codes. Here's the part that needs to be implemented in your software solution. But we're not abandoning you yet. In the Java Software Development Kit, we provide a detailed pattern for exception handling and also provide a client-side pattern code. If you follow some of the guidelines mentioned earlier, after the successful recognition process, we will return the required data to your application in JSON data format. That means the vehicle identification works. It's that simple. In fact, I can't say anything other than how simple the ANPR Cloud is, as it only took a few minutes for a walkthrough. Use this universal platform-independent HTTP request-response format in your application and access one of the best vehicle identification services in the world. Welcome to the world of ANPR Cloud. Why don't you check out our next video? And could you subscribe right down here? Thanks.